clean and healthy. How do we keep ourselves clean? Brush your teeth in the morning and at night before going to bed. Wash your hands before and after eating. Wash your hands after using toilet. Have a bath or shower every day. Keep your nose clean. Cut your nails and keep them clean. Comb your hair. Keep your clothes clean. Keep your shoes clean. Keep your desk organized. Keep your room neat and tidy.